Leo was a poor boy. He lived in a small town. His family had very little money. Leo wanted to learn English. He dreamed of speaking English very well. But there was one problem. He had no books. He had no phone. He had no internet. Every day, Leo walked to school. On the road, he saw old newspapers in a trash box. The newspapers were in English. Many people threw them away, but Leo picked them up carefully. At home, he cleaned the papers. He read every word slowly. He did not understand many words, but he never gave up. Every night, Leo copied new words into a small notebook. He practiced again and again. He said each word loudly. His friends laughed at him. They said, "Why are you reading trash?" Leo smiled and said, "One day, this trash will change my life." Months passed. One day, the school held an English speaking contest. Many students joined. Leo was nervous.
My project explores the impact of renewable energy sources on our local community. The data suggests that we can make a real difference, starting today.
When he finished, the whole school clapped loudly. Leo won first prize. His teacher smiled proudly. Leo looked at his old notebook and smiled. He remembered the newspapers from the trash. That day, everyone learned an important lesson. Big dreams do not need perfect tools. They need hard work.